Have you ever wondered why the most powerful tools for our health are usually the cheapest? While you're shelling out $80 a month for synthetic bottles at CVS or Walgreens, praying to reclaim that deep breath and the stamina of your youth, a literal biological laboratory is sitting on the bottom shelf of your local Walmart for under $3. I'm talking about mustard seeds, what the Bible calls the seed of faith in Matthew 17:20. But listen close. This isn't just a Sunday school lesson. It's a blueprint for an ancient medicine that the corporate healthcare system has spent decades trying to bury. For American men over 60, this tiny seed is a biological power washer. It scours the rust out of your arteries and resets your lungs from the inside out. But here's the kicker they won't tell you. 99% of people are doing it dead wrong. They're eating the dead mustard in those plastic squeeze bottles, processed with high heat and chemicals that kill the very enzymes you need to heal. Today at Vitality After 60, I'm exposing the 10-minute protocol, the biological activation hack that allows you to reclaim your vitality and independence without a single prescription. Grab your $2 jar, because we're about to dive into a forgotten legacy to take back control of your body. To truly understand the power sitting in that $2 jar, we have to look back long before the era of multi-billion-dollar pharmacies and televised drug commercials. There was a time when health wasn't something you bought at a drive-through window. It was a legacy passed down through grit and common sense. If you grew up in the Appalachians or the Midwest, you likely remember the sharp, pungent scent of a mustard plaster. Your grandmother didn't have a medical degree, but she knew that when the winter rattle settled into a man's chest, a simple paste of crushed seeds was the only thing that could break it up. It didn't come with a $50 copay or a list of 20 side effects. It just worked. But this legacy goes even deeper than the American heartland. Over 2,000 years ago, Roman Centurions didn't march across entire continents on luck alone. They carried mustard seeds in their basic kits to maintain muscle stamina and keep their respiratory systems clear during long, grueling campaigns in the cold damp of northern Europe. Even Hippocrates, the father of medicine in ancient Greece, praised this specific seed for its unique ability to fire up the body's internal defenses and purge toxins from the blood. The tragedy of our modern world is that since the 1970s, we've seen a massive 70% decline in the use of these raw, whole food protocols. We've been conditioned to trade the wisdom of the Bible and the strength of the Roman legions for a white pill and a never-ending monthly bill. We've stopped being stewards of our own vitality and started being loyal customers to a system that profits from our stagnation. It's time to reach back into the past and reclaim a strength that hasn't been processed, patented, or overpriced for under $3. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it just old-world superstition? Well, the boys in white coats at Harvard and the National Institutes of Health have spent the last 15 years proving that Grandma was right all along. They've discovered that when you crush a mustard seed, you aren't just making a condiment. You're initiating a high-level chemical reaction that Big Pharma would charge you $100 a bottle for if they could figure out how to patent it. Inside that $2 jar is a compound called sinigrin, paired with a live enzyme known as myrosinase. Think of these two as a lock and key. When they meet, they create a powerful volatile molecule called AITC. This isn't some mild herbal tea, it's a biological broom. Peer-reviewed research suggests that AITC acts as a potent signaling molecule that triggers your body's own detoxification pathways, specifically targeting the inflammatory rust that clogs the lungs and stiffens the arteries of men over 60. But here is the $10 million secret the supplement industry hides. Most pills sitting on those pharmacy shelves are dead. They've been heat processed and stripped of the live enzymes required to turn that key. Science proves that by simply waiting 10 minutes after crushing your seeds, a process we'll cover in the next section, you can increase the bioavailability of this medicine by over 400%. That is the difference between a useless powder and a clinical-grade respiratory shield. You aren't just eating a spice, you are deploying a molecular task force to scour your pipes and clear your breath. The data is clear, the biology is sound, and the cost to you is less than 10 cents a day. Now, let's get down to brass tacks because this is where most people fail before they even start. If you walk away from this video and just buy a $1.50 bottle of processed yellow mustard to squeeze on a hot dog, you've missed the point entirely. That stuff is a biological counterfeit. It's been cooked at high temperatures and drowned in industrial vinegar, which effectively sabotages the very enzymes we're trying to activate. To get the medicine, you need the raw whole seeds. Go to the spice aisle at Walmart or Kroger, find the store brand for under $3, and look for the seeds that haven't been tampered with. That one small $2 jar is a 30-day supply of biological fire for less than 10 cents a day. That is the kind of math the pharmacy aisle doesn't want you to do. Here is your 10-minute ritual. You'll need a simple mortar and pestle, or even just the back of a heavy spoon. Take 1/2 teaspoon of those seeds and crush them thoroughly. This isn't just about making a powder, it's about breaking the cellular walls to let the lock and key finally meet. Once they're crushed into a coarse paste, add just a few drops of room temperature water. Never, under any circumstances, use hot water. Heat is the enemy of vitality. It kills the medicine before it even hits your tongue. Now here is the secret 99% of the world doesn't know. You must wait. Set a timer for exactly 10 minutes. In that window, a chemical explosion is happening in your bowl. The myrosinase enzyme is waking up, converting the raw compounds into the AITC power washer. If you eat it too soon, you get nothing but a bitter seed. If you wait, you get a clinical-grade respiratory shield. To verify, perform the sting test. Take a small whiff. If you feel a sharp, clean zap through your sinuses, that's your green light. Mix that 1/2 teaspoon into raw honey or on whole grain bread once a day. Why is this so vital for us over 60? Because as we age, our body's natural self-cleaning slows down. This activated AITC triggers mucociliary clearance, our molecular broom. It scours out the stagnant phlegm and winter rattle that's been building up in your lungs for years. Beyond your breath, it targets the oxidative rust in your circulatory system. For those of us over 60, arteries often lose elasticity and become stiff. These compounds stimulate protective enzymes that keep your pipes flexible and your blood flowing where it belongs. You are deploying a biological task force to reduce the systemic inflammation that causes that morning stiffness in your hands and knees. Reclaim your breath and the snap in your step without a single trip to the pharmacy. Listen closely, men, because this is where the rubber meets the road. Reclaiming your vitality with a $2 jar of seeds isn't just a personal win. It's a duty you owe to the people sitting around your dinner table. At 60, your health is no longer just your business. It is the foundation upon which your entire family stands. When you use this biological power washer to clear your lungs and arteries, you aren't just cleaning your own pipes. You are ensuring that you remains the patriarch your family relies on. Think about your wife for a moment. She deserves the man she married, the one who could walk the trails, handle the heavy lifting in the yard, and wake up without that agonizing morning rust in his joints. When you lower your systemic inflammation through the AITC protocol, you are giving her back her partner. You are becoming a shield for her, moving with a quiet strength that tells her everything is under control. And what about your adult children? They are likely in their 30s or 40s, grinding through their own careers and raising your grandkids. The last thing they need is the health anxiety of a father who is fading away or becoming a burden because he's bogged down by $80 prescriptions and constant fatigue. When they see you breathing deep, staying active in the workshop, and keeping your mind sharp, you are giving them the greatest gift a father can give: peace of mind. You are proving to them that age is just a number, not a cage. Then there are the grandkids. They don't want a grandpa who watches them play from a recliner on the porch. They want the steel-lung grandpa who can chase them across the yard and teach them how to bait a hook without huffing and puffing. By saving nearly $1,000 a year on unnecessary synthetic supplements, you're keeping that money where it belongs, in your family's legacy. Whether it's a college fund or a weekend camping trip, every dollar you keep out of the hands of Big Pharma is a dollar that strengthens your house. By choosing the under $3 jar, you are making a stand. You are choosing independence over dependency. You are the steward of this family. It's time to lead like one. So, here we are at the fork in the road. You've seen the evidence, you've heard the history, and the math is undeniable. On one side, you can keep paying that monthly $80 health tax for synthetic bottles that only mask the symptoms while your vitality slowly fades. You can stay a loyal customer to a system that profits from your stagnation. But on the other side, there's the path of grit, heritage, and common sense. It costs less than $3 and takes only 10 minutes of your morning. By choosing this raw, whole seed protocol, you are declaring your independence. But I don't want to just talk at you. I want to talk with you. Look down at the comment section right now. I want to hear your stories. Did your parents or grandparents ever use a mustard plaster when you were a kid? Let's bring that old world wisdom back to life in the comments. And I'm giving you a challenge. Perform the sting test tomorrow morning. If that biological fire zaps your senses and clears your head, come back to this video and type "reclaim" so the rest of the Brotherhood knows this is real. Don't let your golden years be managed by a boardroom in a skyscraper. Reclaim your breath, protect your legacy, and let's take back our health together. Stay vital, stay independent, and God bless.